Hokie dokie. Second or third example for this problem, I'm going to do it a little faster. If you need more of a breakdown, please visit the first example I've worked out. We are given a function g and r. We are asked to find dg over ds. That's the derivative of the function g, but with respect to s. And then once we have that, we will plug in 1/2. So in order to find dg over ds, we're going to find dg over dr, the derivative of g with respect to r. So let's kind of break this down. We need to find the derivative of 1 over r. So we want to rewrite it first as r to the negative 1. We rewrite it as r to the negative 1, so now we can find the derivative using the power rule. So we're going to bring down the negative 1, leave the r, and then subtract 1 from the exponent, giving us negative 1r raised to the negative 2. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this as negative 1 over r to the positive 2. Negative exponents can be written as positive exponents in the denominator, or vice versa. If they start in the denominator, they end up positive in the numerator. So now we're going to multiply this by the derivative of r with respect to s. So we have e to the 2s. All right, this is an interesting example. E to the 2s requires a bit of chain rule. So we need to find the derivative of e to the something, I'll call it x, and we need to find the derivative of the inside, 2s. So e to the x is e to the x, but you and I both know it's not x on the inside. We actually have 2s, so it stays 2s when we take the derivative. Then we take the derivative of 2s, so we get 2. So this multiplied by this, or 2e to the 2s, is our final derivative, dg over ds. But now we need to plug in s equals 1/2 wherever we see an s. So we only see an s here, so we'll plug it in there. So we have negative 1 over r squared times 2e to the 2 times 1/2. Okay, well, let's see. So 2 times 1/2, we get just 1, and e to the first is just e. So here we have 2e, but then we still have a negative 1 over r squared. We need to find a value for r, but we only have that s is equal to 1/2. So we use the equation r is equal to e to the 2s. So r is equal to e raised to the 2 times s, for which we can plug in 1/2. So if we plug in our s value of 1/2, it'll allow us to find our r value. But again, 2 times 1/2 is just 1, but e to the first is just e. So we replace our r with just e. So we have negative 1 over e squared times 2e. If we multiply the 2e up to the numerator, we leave it as negative 2e over e squared, which we can cancel an e out from the top and bottom, leaving us with negative 2 over e. We break out the eraser, and c is our answer. I hope this made some sense. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to check out the other examples.